In this video, I'm going to teach you how to select a seat on Singapore Airlines. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is singaporeair.com, and go over to travel info. And from in there, you should be able to see right here the seat options. So you can actually manage it all together from there and change the seat and input the request that you want. So onto this case, you just need to see right here the different types of travel and fare type that you can choose. We have suites, first class, or business class, wherein you can enjoy a complimentary seat selection at any time. We also have premium economy class, wherein you can select seat in advance for free. If you wish to fly in greater comfort, you can also select an extra legroom seat for a fee. Now for the economy class, depending on the fare type you choose, you may select a seat in advance for a free or for a fee. Alternatively, you may select any available economy class seat for free when checking in online upins. 48 hours before your flight departs, passenger holding economy class tickets may also select seat in premium economy cabin for a fee only on specific flights. And on these routes, to or from Jakarta, Ho Chi Minh, Hanoi, Kuala Lumpur, Bangkok, Surabaya, Colombo, and Dhaka. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.